Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about how to connect SAP HANA Studio and ADT in ABAP as for HANA. Okay, which is step by steps. Okay, beginner guides. Okay, and in this recording or video, we will discuss about how to connect as for HANA using SAP login, how to add ABAP system in ADT, that is ABAP Development Tool. Okay, and how to troubleshoot basically if in case any login or connections issues. And fourth one, that is a best practices we should follow in ABAP developments. Okay, so let's come into the system. So this is the basically we have a as for HANA ABAP system. In this system, remote desktop, you will have a here SAP logon. If you go here, you will see here there is already configured. So whenever you will take the SAP ABAP as for HANA access, okay, they will configure it. Okay, so it's simple. If you go change, you will see the detail here, all the server details, okay, which is already configured. If it is any issues, okay, reach out to your vendor from where you have taken the access. Okay, so now we'll go to this SAP logon here. Just click on as for HANA ABAP icon. Just double click over here. So once I double click over, you will see initial screen for the login. So client is 100. Okay, and now we'll give the here user ID. So I am giving here user ID and password. Okay, let me try once. Yeah, so you can see if in case you are trying a wrong attempt, okay, you will display here how many wrong attempt you have given. So now I have tried for one attempt, so you will see here the one attempts. Okay, now you can continue it. So now this is the initial screen, okay, for the S4 HANA ABAP. So how you can like identify this is S4 HANA system? Go to the system status. Under status, you will see, okay, wait a minute. Yes, you will see here product version. Okay, and this is the database. This is more important. Okay, HANA database, right? So this is a way you can confirm this is a HANA database, ABAP system. In this, if you want to see the version and all, you can go for the system data here. So even you can see all the detail here. You will get it over here in this screen. Even you can check here whether install product versions. If you click here, you will see the product versions here. 2023 is a, okay, we will have a product versions. ABAP S4 HANA product versions. So now this is the way you can, initially you can check it once you log in into the particular ABAP systems. Okay, and you know that this is the SE38T code. If you want to create something, okay, I'll show you one thing. If you want something like program one something, you can go and create over here. So if you want to create, you can create. So it is which is already there. Let me try once. Yeah, it is already, it says already there. Let me try once. If something is going wrong, no problem. If you have this one, you can display, you can change it. Right? So this is, I mean, you can create it. If you want to create, you can create it. Okay, if you want to display, you can display it. So this is how basically ABAP basics login works. Okay, now let's go ahead for the second topic, that is called adding. That is a Eclipse, which is more important. Eclipse. So just double click on Eclipse. So Eclipse is start opening. So let's wait. So you can see that this is the ID E and the version is 202403. So which is opening. So wait a minute. So once it opened, now we'll okay start configuring like and start working with this. Yes, you can see here. Okay, now if you have any specific folder, okay, you can use this. Let's see, I want to use over here, like we have ABAP folder. You can select ABAP folder, okay, and now you can launch. So now you are going to opening your Eclipse for ADT, okay, ABAP development. So earlier, ABAP development was happen under SE38, but now it start happening with your new ID that is called Eclipse. So every development happen over here. So this is we have it. This is initial screen for the Eclipse, right? So you can see here perspective. You click here, it will open the perspectives. So let's see. Okay, see. This is the initial screen. So what you want to do over here? I want to hello world something. So this is the initial screen. Now I would like to some development over here. So how to connect basically. So whenever go for window, there are preference options or perspective options. Open other. So here you will see so many things are there, right? So many tools are available. So now you have to select this first option, ABAP. Click open. So now it is opening ABAP perspective. Okay, now it is open ABAP perspective. Now you can see over here there is a create ABAP projects, right? So click on create ABAP projects. Now we are going to connect the S/4HANA ABAP system with this ID Eclipse. Select this one, click continue. Automatically it will configure. Just click next. Now you have to give the like something here, the name, okay, and whatever the user you have it. So you have to put the username, password. So once you will give the correct username and password, it will connect. So you can check the here something. Username is there A23 S23 A17. You can put it here. Username S. Just wait. S4H 2023 or something. S23 A17. Just or you can write over here. S23. Wait. S23 A17. 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 So you can write over here. Now you can go over here and put your username and password, whatever the password you have, put it. Click continue. Now you can see you are going to connect it. Click finish. Now you are successful. Is still asking some password. Okay, not a problem. If you want, you can give it here the password. Yeah, it is connected. Now you are successfully connected this Eclipse with your ABAP system. Basically, if you just navigate, you will see all the detail over here, like local objects. If you have any favorite packages, you will display over here. If you have any favorite, if you while working, you will add here something objects and system related library. You will see all this detail over here, right? So, and now if you want something here, just right click and you can, okay, you can delete it. Okay, you can have some search options. So many options are there. Invalidates, properties, so many options are there. So you can do day by day if you want to create something. Okay, you will have even if you have any packages, if you these all are the system packages. Okay, under this system package, you will have some system package. Under this, you will have a CDS like code dictionary objects, CDS view objects. Even we will have a dictionary like all the tables which you have to use like structures, views, tables, and source library, all these detailed programs and all. So these are the basic things. Okay, and you can go through it if you want to search any object. So this is the like a global search you can say under ID. Okay, here you want. If you want to search anything, let's see, I want to search Mara. Some table are there, right? So if you want some Mara or KNA1, anything. So if it is available, okay, it already available, you can search over here. Or Okay, you can search as per your requirements. So this is how it works basically. And this is the main button here, like link with editor. If you want to find any specific object and you want to click over here, you will directly come into that objects. So this is how we would like to show you basically how we are going to connect with your ABAP system with this ADT Eclipse systems. Okay, if you want to right click over here, so many options are there. Either delete, import, export. You can close the connections. So whatever here, property. If you want to check some property, you can check it. Okay. Apart from that, this if you want to open another like again same you have to do same thing here. Okay, and you can open it and you can stop it. You see there is something a stop also is available. So you can do as per your requirements. So this is how basically we are using Eclipse to connect your ABAP system with this Eclipse systems. So this is how the server access. If in case anyone needed server access, please DM ping me and like this video and subscribe in your friend circles. If any query comments, please comment me. Thank you for watching this video.